All right, good afternoon. Today we're going to draw together a boat, like a cruise ship boat, and we're going to draw it kind of like our submarine. We're going to draw it with just some basic shapes and some lines that we already know about. So for this one, we're going to need to know how to draw straight lines, wavy lines, circles, rectangles, zigzag lines, and that's about it. Okay, so I'm going to draw with a black crayon. I think black crayon works the best just so our lines show up really well. So I'm going to start out with my paper sideways. And the very first thing that I'm going to do is draw a zigzag line or a wavy line. This is going to be the water in the picture. And I'm going to start out by, after the wavy line, I'm going to draw a really big rectangle. And I left space in the front and the back. Now from here, I'm going to draw a line over and down. This is going to be the front of my boat. Up here, I'm going to draw another rectangle. One more small rectangle on top. It's a few layers. Then we'll draw two tall, skinny rectangles. I'll put a couple straight lines on top of that. Let's make some windows. I'm going to put a few windows. You can put however many you fit. I could fit 4. And I'm going to color those windows in almost all the way, but I'm going to leave a little bit around the edges. So I just start in the middle and color out, 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 out until I get pretty close to the edge, and then I stop. Color out, out, out until I get pretty close to the edge, and then I stop. And let's put some windows up here as well. So I'm going to make them a little smaller though. I'm just going to make those black dots. So I put my crayon down and wiggle, 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 all the way across. And let's think about some other things that a boat might have. If there's people out walking around on the front of the boat, they don't want to fall in the water, so let's make a railing so they don't fall. And the way I make a railing is I just put some lines all the way across like this, the same height, like small number ones. And then I take another straight line and go all the way across. And there I have a railing. Okay, now let's think about some clouds in the sky. This is the water, up here would be the sky. I'm going to put some clouds, so I'm just going to use a bumpy line to create the clouds. This is the exhaust for the engine that turns the propeller of the boat. So you could put some smoke coming out with some bumpy lines. If you want to put the sun in the background, put the sun. Okay, now I think we're ready to color. But one more very important thing. I need to write my name right up here. Okay, so go ahead and write your name.